Hello everyone, today I'd like to do an unboxing of oak and iron portable electric tire inflator. This is model 1. They have a pro model as well, but I have been sent this one for testing. So it has the capacity of up to 150 psi and it promises to do it within 32 minutes. So let's open up the box. And it includes, shows what's included in the box. It's pretty straightforward. Here's the manual. This box comes with everything that you need to use as an attachment. I'll show you. So, yeah, here are the attachments, along with the charging cable, some pins. Yeah, all the attachments are here. As you can see, it comes with this nice looking bag, stylish looking bag with their own logo. And this is the guy. Try to pull it up. So it's pretty straightforward to use. It has this cover sticker, so I'm going to remove it right now. And I'm going to turn it on just to show you how it looks. So it's not fully charged yet, and it's already come pre-charged. PSI is set, and you can set up yourself depending on what kind of PSI you want. Also, there's a light option, as you can see, so it's really handy. And you can also go through different cycles of light, as you can see. Off, and there's also different PSIs for the bike and ball, or you can set the PSI yourself. You can increase or decrease based on how you want to go with this, and push to start. I'm gonna test it out and see how it works, but I think I'm gonna just charge it before I'm gonna use it, and I'll let you know how it works. Thank you for watching.